What's up, my good people? Welcome to ICO Reviews, and today I present to you Serve ICO, decentralized logistics service on the blockchain. Everything to everyone, everyone to everything. So they hope to make the logistic industry cheaper, faster, more reliable, more efficient. Now let's take a case study of pizza and let's see how much it costs. Now they say when you buy pizza, actually the actual cost is like, let's say, $11 for the pizza. Then there is a $2.10 upcharge and $4 service fee. You will pay $7 for delivery, and at the end you end up paying $24.10 for a pizza. Now they are saying with serve.com, the actual pizza, which is $11, you only pay 4.5 for delivery fee, and you end up paying $15.5 for it. It's just a case study of what they hope to achieve. And it says the challenges in the industry today is high platform fees up to 40%, very difficult for small vendors to compete against large players, high cost barrier to entry, no clear reputation accountability system, lack of quality control, limited service areas. The solution: global transaction fees will be as low as 0.00%. Up to 100% of the service will go to the service providers. Up to 100% of the listing price will go to the businesses. And sites will provide enterprise technology to every level in the chain. Add decentralization, transparency, reputation, and accountability to the market. And this is how the blockchain hopes to achieve the problem serve.com.io. This is the roadmap. See, and these are the founder: Shahan Osanesia, George Voskania, Romatazrovsky, and the rest here. I'm the advisors. You can find them one after another. And if you want to get the white paper, you want to read to the paper, all you need to do is just sign up, or just fill a form, put your email address, and they will send you the white paper for you. Now you want to know if the ICO is real, if the team members are real, are they genuine. Now I have a proof that is real. This is Roman Starovsky. Let's watch the video from an interview. This is him. You can see.
Welcome. So how are you doing the Chain Exchange conference right now?
It's amazing. I like it. The quality of people is outstanding here. Meeting a lot of individual, qualified people who are just bringing value to the world.
I thought that this conference was empty, but now I'm finding out that it's just really spread out. It's a massive hotel.
So with this now, you can see that Roman is real. You can see him. You can see him. Let's check on the Twitter. They have 624 followers there. And you can sign up for it and be able to see different informations about serve.io, and there will be October 6th already at the blockchain week, which you've seen the video. So they are active, and I believe this ICO is real, and you can see the picture of one of the team member, that is the CTO. So I encourage you. It's your personal decision. I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to go for this ICO, I'll drop the link down below. Click on it and sign up for the ICO. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. I love you guys for watching my videos. I love you for always checking by and seeing my video. And for this serve.io, I believe it's a good project, my own personal opinion. So thank you, and until next time I come your way. This is ICO Reviews.